Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Imagine you are hired as a data scientist at BuzzLab and your mission is to make a product launch campaign go viral using data-driven insights. You have a dataset of 5,000 viral social media posts from platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Your boss has asked you to uncover what drives engagement so the creative team knows exactly where to focus. You'll need to identify the best performing platforms, spot high impact hashtags, compare content types, analyze regional engagement, and find one unexpected insight that gives BuzzLab an edge. Let's dive in and see how data can guide our strategy. But before we start, let's download the project resource files from the GitHub link in the description below. Now let's go ahead and import our dataset and have a look at it. To do this, we need to import the Pandas library, which is essential for data manipulation in Python. I'm going to read our dataset from a CSV file into a Pandas data frame. This will allow us to easily explore and analyze the data. So our dataset contains information about social media posts across various platforms. It includes details like post ID, platform, hashtag, content type, region, views, likes, shares, comments, and engagement level. Let's look at some characteristics of our dataset, including its dimensions and some basic statistics. This will help us identify any data quality issues and understand the overall data distribution. I'm going to use the info method on our data frame to get a concise summary of the dataset. We can see that the dataset is a data frame with 5,000 entries and 10 columns, all containing non-null values. It includes identifiers, categorical data, and numerical data that can be very useful for our analysis. Now, let's use the describe method to generate descriptive statistics for our numerical columns. This will give us insights into the central tendency, dispersion, and shape of the data's distribution, which are crucial for understanding our dataset. The dataset contains 5,000 entries with statistics for views, likes, shares, and comments. The average number of views is approximately 2.49 million, and of course, we have some statistical information about our other numerical features. The data exhibits a wide range of values, as indicated by the standard deviations and the spread between the minimum and maximum values. Now, let's explore which platform rewards creativity the most. We'll analyze the distribution of total engagement across platforms using a box plot. This will help us identify outliers and high-performing platforms, giving us insights into where our creative efforts might be best focused. I'm going to use the seaborn library to create a box plot. This will visualize the distribution of views across different platforms, helping us identify any significant differences in viewership. Let's see how the platforms compare in terms of engagement. The box plot shows that the distribution of views is similar across TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, with medians around 2.5 million views. All platforms exhibit a similar range and spread of views, indicating no significant outliers or differences in viewership among them. Let's move on to uncovering the secret sauce of virality. We'll create a stacked bar chart comparing engagement levels across different hashtags and platforms. This will help us identify patterns of virality and understand which hashtags are driving the most engagement. I'm going to group our data by platform, hashtag, and engagement level, then create a stacked bar chart. This will show us the distribution of engagement levels across hashtags and platforms, highlighting which combinations are most effective. The chart shows the distribution of engagement levels across hashtags and platforms. TikTok and Twitter hashtags generally exhibit higher medium engagement, whereas YouTube hashtags show more variation in high engagement levels. Instagram hashtags have a prominent share of high engagement posts, especially in hashtags like challenge and fashion. Please take a moment to like this video, as it is going to be a great help, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's explore whether longer videos are better or if people prefer quick content. We'll create a grouped bar chart to compare engagement metrics like likes, shares, and comments across different content types. This will help us understand which content types are most engaging. I'm going to group our data by content type and calculate the average likes, shares, and comments for each type. Then I'll create a bar chart to visualize these averages, helping us see which content types are most effective at driving engagement. The bar chart shows that all content types, live stream, post, reel, shorts, tweet, and video, receive a high average number of likes, shares, and comments. Each content type exhibits a similar pattern of engagement, with likes being the most prevalent metric. Finally, let's explore if engagement is regional. We'll use a heat map to visualize the correlation between engagement levels and region-specific hashtags. This will help us see if certain hashtags trend differently in different countries. I'm going to create a pivot table to calculate the average views for each region and hashtag combination. Then I'll use a heat map to visualize these averages, allowing us to see regional trends in engagement. The heat map shows that tech consistently receives high average views across regions, especially in India, Germany, and USA. We can see that comedy underperforms in Japan, and fitness shows strong engagement in Brazil. Notably, challenge and viral display varied performance by region, suggesting they may be trend sensitive or culturally specific. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you next time.